spices to calm your psoriasis flare-ups. Psoriasis flare-ups are no less than a nightmare when you often look at your skin and find it weird, stealthy, and inflamed. If you have psoriasis, you may find discomfort in your day-to-day life just because of your scaly and patchy skin condition. Well, I know how distressing and challenging it is to live with psoriasis when your daily life is a fuss. But do you know that certain dietary things can worsen or relieve psoriasis symptoms? Yes, there are foods that may trigger or calm your psoriasis, and spices are one of them. You would be surprised to know that certain spices can reduce inflammation and calm the psoriasis symptoms. Some spices have anti-inflammatory properties and they may also help regulate the immune function, which is hyperactive in the autoimmune conditions. Hello and a very warm good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet, nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with natural and holistic medicines. So, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon below to stay aware of the latest updates. Well, in today's video, I will share 4 beneficial spices for your psoriasis that will soothe inflammation and significantly drop your PASI score. So let's begin. Number 1 is your golden healer. It's turmeric. Now let's know what makes turmeric a potent spice for psoriasis. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps calm the immune system and reduce inflammation, both of which are major factors in psoriasis. Due to its antioxidant effect, it eliminates free radicals in the skin. Curcumin, being a potent anti-inflammatory compound, reduces inflammation, leading to less itching, redness, and swelling. No doubt, turmeric is a golden boon for autoimmune conditions like psoriasis. You can consume it in lukewarm water and observe how your skin responds. Now, the next is your appetite boosting condiment, ginger. Ginger is a powerful spice that works best for your gut and skin. Now, what makes ginger so special in therapeutics? It's gingerol, a chemical compound which has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces oxidative stress and regulates the immune system. Now, let's know how it can be beneficial for your psoriasis. It helps reduce the joint pain and stiffness associated with psoriatic arthritis. It also boosts digestion and has a calming effect on the gut, leading to better immune function. Let's know how you can consume ginger. You can drink ginger tea or you can take ginger powder in salads and dishes. Well, the third spice is cinnamon. It contains cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols, which help regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, thereby helping in the management of autoimmune conditions. Cinnamon regulates hyperactive immune functions, which leads to less inflammation and thus reduces the psoriasis flare-ups. It also contains antimicrobial properties that help protect the skin from infections, especially those that can occur through cuts, rashes, or breaks in the skin. Cinnamon is also great for controlling blood sugar as raised glucose levels can also worsen inflammation. Now, let's explore how you can add cinnamon to your diet for better skin health. You can sprinkle it on salads, smoothies, juice, or shakes. You can also add it to your curries and delicacies. The last is cumin. Cumin may not be as fleshy as turmeric or ginger, but it's a powerful friend for your skin. Yes, cumin contains thymoquinone, which has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce skin inflammation and itchiness. Gut health matters when we talk about psoriasis. Cumin aids digestion and reduces inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining better skin health. Let's know how to consume. You can drink cumin water on an empty stomach in the morning for detox purpose. You can also roast some cumin seeds and add them to your smoothies, juice and curries. So, I hope you now can understand how some spices can be beneficial for your psoriasis. Spices can help smooth inflammation, reduce flare-ups and manage healthy skin. But still, spices alone cannot do wonders for your skin. You need to include a psoriasis friendly diet and holistic care. Psoriasis can effectively treated with Bharat homeopathic medicines. These medicines are absolutely safe and effective and bring good results in the shortest possible time. They heal the disease from within, holistically tackle the symptoms, invigorate the system, and improve overall immunity. Bharat Homeopathy has a track record of thousands of happy patients who are now completely free from psoriasis and living a healthy life with their beautiful and glowing skin. We are a team of experienced doctors who first analyze the patient's condition, understand their constitution, and prescribe personalized and customized homeopathic treatment after a full case taking. So, if you or your loved one is struggling with psoriasis, then no worries. We are here to help you get over the scaly and patchy skin condition. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy. Have a great day.